Happy morning, children. Today, English class for grade 3. In English class, already we discussed about this prose lesson, The Magic Garden. So, I won't go in with detail. Just I will give short summary for this prose lesson, The Magic Garden. The story The Magic Garden talks about a magic garden in a school. It is loved and taken care of by the little students of the school. The flowers, birds and fairies in the garden feel happy to see the kids around them. Okay children, take your Marigold English book and open page number 7. Dear children, can you see these 4 questions and answer for those questions? Yes. So, now we are going to see the question and answers for them. First question. Why did the flowers love the little children? Answer. The flowers loved the little children because they used to care for flowers. They watered the flowers and dig the ground nicely. Second one. Why did the birds love the children? The birds love the children because they used to bring bread for them. Third one. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Pansy, sunflower, marigold, poppy and rose. Fourth one. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? The children could hear the sound of sweet songs sung by fairies. So, you should note it down in your homework note. That long says note, you should write these answers your homework note. Write it one time only, that enough. And then next, talk time. The title is Roses. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. Dear children, here you should write which one is your favorite flower. Learn its name in English and write it down. So here I gave sample answer for you. My favorite flower is lotus. So here I gave lotus flower name. You can write your favorite flower name here. And then next, say love. Dear children, pronounce loudly like me. Little, people, purple, happily, sleepily, proudly, slippery, thirsty, pretty. Okay children, you should pronounce like this. And then, team time. For this prose lesson, The Magic Garden, you should write this question and answers and write which is your favorite flower. And then next, say loud and practice. And then activity. You should do one activity for this The Magic Garden prose lesson. If you want to do this activity means the flower scrapbook. You should collect 5 flowers like this. And then second instruction for you. Put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book. And then third one. Place some heavy books on top of the old book. Leave it for some days. Fourth one. Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. Fifth one. Write the name of each flower. So dear children, you must do this activity for the Magic Garden lesson and take a photocopy and send it to me. Next, word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in a garden. Dear children, can you see these 5 leaves? For insect, trees, birds, tools, flowers. So here already I gave sample answer for you. For insect, butterfly. Trees, mango. Birds, sparrow. Tools, spade. Flowers, rose. So remain answer you should write yourself. So finish these and all dashes. And then next, take page number 9. Here, imagine you have a big garden. What would it look like? And draw a picture here. This space for you. You should use your imagine garden. You can draw which is your imagine garden. You can draw here. And then next, second one. What would you like to grow in your garden? Write 3 sentences giving the names of the flowers that you might like to grow in your garden. In my garden, I would like to grow marigold. So this is a sample answer for you. That remain second and third you should write yourself. And then next one. Take English practice book, page number 8. Take page number 8. Here exercise A, B, C are there. So A, answer the following questions. It has 5 questions are there. Already I gave answer for first question. Where was the magic garden? The magic garden was in the school playground. So remaining second, third, fourth answer you should write. And then B, write true or false. It has already 5 questions is there. You should write that and all true or false. First one, the gardeners or the children from school. Yes, exactly. So that is true. You should write yourself second, third, fourth and fifth one. It is true or false. C, exercise 3. C, time to put your thinking cap on and share. Make a list of things around your house. So it has things house. So which have the fragrance of flowers in them. So example, rose water, jasmine, incense, stick. So this is example for you. You should write yourself what are things are there in your home, that fragrance thing relating the flowers, fragrance. Okay students, you should must do all this book back exercise. Don't forget to do all these homeworks for you. Okay students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.